For the right vehicle, check out the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.